when I engage them, Mr. President, I hear something different. And I talk to them, they're my peers. And sometimes I would post clips of me on social media and the young people would tell me, I'm proud of you because they see themselves with what is happening here in terms of someone from their generation. But what they say after, Mr. President, is what usually breaks my heart, Minister. They would say, Senator, I don't see a future for me here. They speak openly about their desire to leave and seek opportunities elsewhere. And when I ask them, in the face of tightening immigration policies and the growing uncertainties up north, are you still willing to go? And you know what they said is usually sobering? They say, I'd rather take my chances up there than stay here. That, Mr. President, is very heartbreaking. And what is even more, Mr. President, troubling about that expression is that they are working. They are young people who have a job, people who you would regard to be gainfully employed, Mr. President. And that is the difficult part about that expression. Mr. President, that reality is one of the main reasons I approached this budget debate with such anticipation. Because if Jamaicans no longer believe that there's opportunity at home, then the budget debate must be about creating that belief.